Recently, why we have been seeing so many nature-inspired solutions in construction, engineering, and other areas of the modern world. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Behzat Usta. I am studying physics at Middle East Technical University. Today, I will be talking about two aspects of the biomimicry, two benefits of the beneficial aspects of the biomimicry. This is my outline. The first one is the how how biomimicry inspired solutions, nature inspired solutions perform well, and how they reduce the material cost. In the first one, the performance side, engineering is considering the performance issue since its origin, the beginning of modern industry in engineering. According to the study conducted by Katia 2021, we have seen that natural processes have solved so many engineering problems, but they are waiting for our deeper and careful look. Another important issue is energy and performance in the modern world, industry and engineering, and problems we have challenged. According to the Kennedy study 2019, we have seen that biological solutions and biological structures adopted low energy strategies because in nature energy is not in a great amount and it's not given for free to the plants and animals, so biological processes should adopt low energy strategies. Also performance is in a similar manner very important in the natural selections only favor high performance for the survival. In order to survive these plants and animals or natural creatures. This is an example of good example of performance and how biomimicry helped solve our very important problems. In this picture, Jeffrey shot in 2021, you see a wing of a bird and wing of a plane. They look very similar, and aerodynamical problems, even though they are very difficult, have been solved with the inspiration of the structure, bone structure, and wing structure of the birds. Engineers looked at and examined these wings by carefully, and they have solved so many aerodynamical and aerospace problems by just looking at the nature and adapting these traits of the nature. This is another important part of the example biomimicry, exemplifying biomimicry. The figure prepared by Plysoid in 2017. This is showing that hydrophobic structure of lotus leaves that is inspired so many nanoscientists and textile engineers and specialists to produce hydrophobic surfaces to make the cleaning easier, because cleaning is a very important and difficult job. So to make it easy, scientists looked at the lotus leaves. They are hydrophobic, which means that they don't get any dirt on their surface. So by applying these traits to the nanoscience, nanoparticles, and then macroparticles, and today's daily used apparatus, we have seen hydrophobic and non-cleaning materials in so many areas. This is the benefit and gift of biomimicry. And the material cost part, we have seen that biomimicry is, according to the study of Aguntuna in 2017, we have seen that biomimicry reduces material cost, which is a natural necessity. Nature does not have so much material, so it needs to reduce its cost. This is as obvious as natural selection and low energy strategies of the natural objects' bodies. According to the Red One study conducted in 2016, biomimicry solutions, biologically inspired solutions, are acting very friendly to its environment in order to the survival principle of the natural objects, plants and animals. These projects are also very sustainable for the survival purposes. This is a very clear example of material cost by the biomimicry application. The photo shot by Murray in 2018. A bioengineered enzyme inspired by the spiders is producing spider silk, so which is used for the these textile in textile engineering. And for example, in this knitted hat, it is used and it reduced so much cost. This material cost has another example in this photograph shot by Vikina in 2017. The roofs have been designed according to the structure of leaves in the tropical areas. They are conveying so much water into a desired path. So this is providing so much rainwaters into a usable water. So this is reducing so much cost, and this nature-inspired invention is a very obvious example of biomimicry. To sum up, we can say that nature has solved so many problems, and we can just look at these solutions very carefully to understand and to solve our problems. And biological assessments of material cost is very accurate. So these assessments are helping our daily problem solving stages, processes. So I would like to end by saying that we need to learn much more from the natural environment. However, nature sometimes gives full solutions instead of lectures. I appreciate your time. I would like to answer any of your questions. These are my references.